Hello everyone, this is Aditya, and today again it's 4 May, and we are going to solve another problem of the day of the lead code. And the problem is 881 boats to save people. Here we are given a array of name pupil, and where the pupil of ith element of pupil shows the weight of the pupil, and the limit is the maximum number of weight a boat can carry, and a boat can carry at most two people under this weight. So we have to find the minimum number of boat to carry every person. Here, for example, you can see there is the pupil array. Here we have 3, 2, 2, 1, and the limit is 3. So the first person is 3 and enough for the limit. So one boat for him, and 2, and here is 1, so we can solve it directly. 2 plus 1, 2 person can carry, so 2 1, and the remaining 2 it is under the limit, then we have to send only 2 only, so the minimum number boat required is 3. So I have solved this problem using two pointer approach. But I have using initialize a boat with 0, and I have sort the array. Sorting is required for the proper execution of the two pointer approach. I have made one pointer left with 0 and another pointer right with last element of the pupil. Let's see. So am I straight recording? So let's say if a person, suppose that, am I recording or not? So I should be, let's see. So here we can see uh, I initialize while left is greater than equal to right. This means I have solving by another method, but I am getting error. So I have used two pointer approach here, and left is less than right. This means when the uh, when the sorted array is completely executed at one condition, when there is no element, or there is a only one element, it is always true when the array is sorted. So it is the base condition. If left equal to right, this says that there is only one person in the pupil array. We can break the statement by appending one in the boat, incrementing one in the boat. And in second condition, if pupils left plus pupil right is less than limit, it means that suppose that is it this one is sorted array, and 1 2 to 3 if we can reverse by sorted. Suppose this by left, this by right. If left plus right less than limit, suppose limit is 3, so this condition fails, so we have to write, and we have to eliminate the right by 1 and increment both by 1, so the third will be incremented. Now we are going to another same roof. If pupil of left plus pupil right is less than equal to limit, it means 2 plus 1 is less than limit, then we can remove 2 and remove 1, then only one element right, then both is increment by 1 and break. So we can with both. We can finally submit this code, and here we can see the code is successfully executed. Thank you. I am saying